Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google My Business with an account that has owner or manager permission. Once signed in, find the exact listing you want to edit, use the dashboard or open the profile via Google Maps. Make sure your business name and primary location match, otherwise edits may be blocked. If you manage multiple listings, select the correct one now. Once done, click the Edit or Info button to get to the website field so you can change it immediately. You should now be in the Info section. Locate the website field and click the pencil icon to edit. Type the full URL, including https, // and avoid extra query strings that cause redirects. If your main site uses heavy tracking, point Google to a clean landing page to ensure consistent indexing. Explain why. Google prefers direct links without multiple redirects, so your change propagates faster. When finished, review the URL for typos and press Save to submit the update. After saving, you wait for Google to process the update. It can appear quickly or take up to a few days. Make sure you refresh the profile view and clear cache to confirm the change. If the website doesn't update, check that you still have owner access, remove any redirect loops, and ensure the URL returns a 200 status. If problems persist, open Search Console for indexing issues or reach out to Google My Business support. This tip often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.